Plausible Analytics and Amplitude, two big names in analytics. But when it comes to easy, powerful insights, which one really delivers? On the left, Plausible Analytics, the simple, privacy-first alternative. And on the right, Amplitude, the enterprise heavyweight for advanced product analytics. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category gets points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Okay. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, here's a little mind map. These are the categories we're going to be looking at: pricing, features and integrations, privacy and compliance, ease of use, and scalability and performance. Trust me, by the end, you'll know which fits your vibe. First up, pricing. You know how sometimes you just want to know what you're paying? No surprises. Plausible nails that. Really affordable, totally transparent pricing. Like, you don't have to do mental gymnastics when estimating your bill. And there's no silly data caps holding you back for most plans. Plus, everyone gets the core features. The only snag is, if you're a giant enterprise, you might want more features. Then there's Amplitude, which does offer a freemium plan, so you can dip your toes in without putting any money down. But, and oh boy, this is important, if you need those advanced features or your traffic goes through the roof, the costs climb hard and fast. Amplitude's feature set is huge, but honestly, looking at the price tag at scale, oof. So for most folks, Plausible wins here. Now, features and integrations. Plausible? It keeps things super clean. You get all the essential web analytics straight out of the box. And it's privacy focused. No cookies by default, which is kind of refreshing. The flip side is, like, event tracking is pretty basic. And if you love customizing dashboards, you might miss that. Amplitude, though, is wild. Custom events, cohort analysis, real-time dashboards, session analytics, the whole 9 yards. Their integration ecosystem, massive. Like, you could spend a weekend just connecting stuff. But don't get me wrong, it's definitely intimidating at first, and you do have to set up your events manually. Still, for sheer features, Amplitude takes the lead. Sorry, Plausible. All right, let's talk privacy and compliance. Honestly, this is where Plausible flexes. No cookies by default, GDPR friendly out of the box, your data is never sold, and you can even self-host it. Pretty cool, right? I mean, the only downside is if you want crazy advanced tracking features, privacy first means some stuff just isn't possible. On the flip side, Amplitude does tick a lot of compliance boxes, especially for enterprise clients, like SOC 2, HIPAA, as long as you're on a paid plan, but out of the box, it's way more tracky. You actually have to work to make it private enough for, say, European privacy standards. And don't forget, data export restrictions are a thing. Plausible is the clear winner for privacy.
Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Plausible's entire dashboard weighs less than a single image on most websites? Seriously, it's that lightweight. No more waiting ages for analytics reports to load. Love it.
Okay, ease of use. Because no one wants to spend hours tweaking settings, right? Plausible is genuinely a joy here. The interface? Minimalist and gorgeous. Setup is fast. Reporting is in plain language. Basically, anyone can use it. Downside? If you want super complex reporting, it's not built for it. Amplitude is a power user's dream, honestly. Super flexible reporting, powerful segmenting, but oh man, just getting it set up and tagging your data, not for the faint of heart. There's definitely a steep learning curve for beginners. So, if you want something simple and straightforward, Plausible is your winner. Last up, scalability and performance. If you're a blog, agency, or just running a smaller site, Plausible is perfect. Their script is lightweight. It loads faster than most images, which is nuts. But for huge enterprise analytics, there are limits. Amplitude, though? It's built for scale. High data volumes, big data sets, cross-team collaboration. Amplitude just eats it all up. Advanced scaling is awesome. But yeah, you pay a premium for it. So for the big leagues, Amplitude takes the win here. If you're a visual person, here's a radar chart. Plausible shines in affordability, privacy, and ease, while Amplitude crushes it in features and scalability. Their strengths are pretty clear when you see it mapped out. So here's my 2 cents. If you want privacy-first analytics with a breezy setup, and you're not out to analyze a million custom events, Plausible is basically perfect. But if you're working with a product team, need all those robust, customizable analytics at scale, and you're fine with a steeper price and a learning curve, then Amplitude is where it's at. Still trying to pick the best analytics tool for yourself? I'd say check out both. Play around, see what feels right. And hey, if you want more tips or deep dives, stick around and hit subscribe. Compare before you commit.